Hey everybody, Kerry Shirley here. Today I want to introduce you to the latest muffler from Hatori for gas helicopters. This is the GSH29. It's the largest muffler they've ever made for the Zenoa line. It's targeted towards the 23 through 29 cc versions. What's unique about it is it's higher volume. This muffler is actually 20 millimeters longer than the GSH26, which was their previous muffler, and the one you may have seen on the gas goblin conversion from earlier. It's typical of the isolation mounts. It's a two-piece mount. It has an aluminum mount which mounts to the cylinder, and then the muffler fits over these O-rings. The end result is really good isolation mount for the muffler. It's also a very quiet muffler, typically in the very high 88 dB range. They're very quiet, have a great tone. From a performance perspective, they offer some of the best performance you'll get out of any muffler, particularly if you've got a modified motor. Last thing I want to say about it right now is how light it is. This muffler weighs just about 9 ounces. That's the second lightest muffler that you can buy. So it's got the whole package. It's lightweight, it's very high quality, it gives you good performance, and it's quiet. Okay, let's take a closer look at this muffler. As I mentioned, it's a two-piece. It uses an isolator mount. This is a piece of aluminum that mounts to the cylinder. It's got some embedded nuts. These are actually replaceable. That's what the isolators on the muffler are going to mount into. Muffler slips over these O-rings, so it basically floats on this mount. And you can see on the muffler it has 4 silicon mounts. This is just like on the Glow model. It's just the design's been pulled over to the gas version. And then you lube up these O-rings and these two pieces seat together. When these are new, it's a little bit tricky to push them together, so I did this offline, but you can see how the parts fit together. And then you're going to use a 2.5 millimeter bolt, which is going to thread through these with a washer. You put these 4 together. This thing is then held off the cylinder on the engine. It's a really it's a good firm mount, but it keeps the muffler isolated from the engine's vibrations. So a lot of the failures you see with different mufflers, you won't see with this simply because it's better isolated. I wanted to show you some comparisons with other popular mufflers. We'll start off with the RJX. You can see it's quite a bit shorter. This muffler weighs 14 ounces. It's just about the heaviest one you can get. This is a Century Torpedo. Fairly large diameter. You can see that it's a little bit shorter. This weighs 13 ounces. It's the second heaviest. This is the Torpedo Slim, also a Century muffler. This is the lightest muffler you can get. It weighs just a little under 9 ounces. So the latest Hatori, they've significantly reduced the weight. This weighs just about 9.3 ounces. So it's just about 3/10 of an ounce heavier than the Century muffler. Now you can see the muffler installed on a model. It has a nice balanced look to it. Now I'm going to let you listen to the muffler. I've got it installed on a Whiplash gas, which I'm going to run in a hover mode and then in an idle up mode, so you can hear the difference in tone and sound between the two setups. Well, that wraps up the introduction to the new GSH29 muffler from Hatori. It's available in both a front and rear mount. Typically that means a left side or a right side. The difference is the positioning of the header. On the front mount or left side, it's actually a little closer to the front, and on the rear mount it's exactly where you see here. It's a new muffler, should be available in dealers shortly. It's already in Hatori's catalog and on their website. So until next time, go fly some gas helicopters. See you later.